evening in the Philippines. Today is Monday, March 16th, and the market is already open. We had a hard stop on overnight session, and I guess it just dropped down again. Let me look at here. And there it is. I think it, oh, no, it's right here. So it has not opened yet. It's going to open in 1 minute, I believe. That already opened. And did it drop another one? Because here's your hard stop for this one right there. 7% drop. So we'll see what happens here. It has not opened yet, I don't think. I'm looking at the markets here. Okay, now it has opened. I don't know about the micro E-minis, but the ES has opened, I think. I can see the tick counter. Yeah, this tick counter is not going, so maybe not yet. So before I go on, let's do the disclaimer as usual. Let me get the disclaimer here. Here we are. Okay. So any comments or any statement made in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. I must emphasize that I am neither a licensed or professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader, just like everyone else. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So that said, get that out of the way. In terms of economic news, really not that much. It's already happened. Let me see here if I can find it. It's right here. We had the Trump talk earlier, which was at 6:30 in the morning, 6:30 Eastern. Or no, I should say, yeah, it's 6:30 p.m. Eastern in the U.S. No, should I say 5:17? Overnight, they dropped the rate. So the actual rate right now is close to zero. It's like 1/4. That's what's caused the big drop in indices. So with that, I'm just wondering if this did drop again. Really, no, it just hasn't opened, which is weird. So anyways, let's see what's going to go on with this market. They have not opened it yet. And we'll see what happens here. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm trading the E-minis. Now they have the margin they have now is the initial margin. So on the E-minis, it's around 900 for a contract, which is a lot. It usually goes for like 50. That's the usual intraday margin. But now they locked into the what we call the initial margin, which is 900 plus dollars per contract. But since I'm trading to get funded on Top Step Trader, where you can do swing trading on the E-minis, you can see here my balance is now, it's what's set 140, no, it's 10,148. My goal is to make it to 11,000, and that's going to be for the first test, and then after that another test after that to basically test your consistency, and after that you finally get funded. It's a little harder, but we'll see how it goes. So that's why I'm basically documenting this, basically this test. So what I'm going to do is again, the market is not open. It's still in that hard stop. So we'll see what happens here. I have this recording going for, let's see what happens in 1 hour. So with that said, I will put this on mute and I'll talk to you guys later. So I believe that should be done. 2 trades. I netted close to 300. In fact, here it is. On Top Step Trader, I made 286.35 on one contract. It's actually pretty good, especially again with this volatility. You know where the market's going. That's great. 286. So now I'm up overall 435. I just need to make 1,000. I'll proceed to the second test. Well, that said, that took some work. 2 trades, 2 winners. I'll take it. So tomorrow, what am I going to be doing tomorrow? Tomorrow, I'll be having a webinar with my DTA students. So hopefully I'll be trading after the webinar again with the micros again. We'll see how the market is. And with that said, hope you all enjoy your evening. Do not live in fear. Like I said, don't let fear overtake you. Just basically focus on Him. Focus on your Creator. Focus on God. Okay. Good night. God bless. Talk to you guys tomorrow.